Well, greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I'm here at Eastwood Park in Rochester, and it's actually a pretty nice day, other than being kind of cool. So we're going to go check these trails out. I was here once before, and it was a blunder. I don't even think I posted any videos at all, period. So we'll see. I just got to figure out where the trails start. Where do they start? Here we go. And I'm the only one here except for the truck driver just pulled in. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. So, wow, it's leafy. Corkscrew. Let's do the corkscrew. That sounds like fun. I anticipate it to be super leafy and possibly damp in places. So, but not too damp. Maybe some, well, watch your speed type dampness. But it's a fun trail. It just zigzags back and forth. I think this is a green trail. There are black diamonds here, so we'll see what those are like. Oh, there's a little bit of a dampness right there, and I can see tire tracks. So I'm in the right spot. All right, so the trail is down there. I came up, went out to the road, and then up this way. So now, they got a bunch of train trail signs here. So that's Sandwich. I'm not really sure. It's actually kind of cool. I like these signs. They got a mountain biker on it, which is what you want to see. We're gonna go up and do the edge. I think you can see nature away as a walker person on it. So that's really cool. I like it. I also kind of like these signs too. So it's just an idea. They're like foam. Okay, so this is the edge. Oh, good grief. Well, this is interesting because it goes out right here. So we're gonna go continue on the edge. This is typical me in a new area. I'm going all over the place. The apartments are like right here, so I knew they were close to the apartments. As you can see, the Eastwood trails ended up being a lot of fun. Short but sweet, but lots of technical terrain and stuff that could really challenge someone if you're in the area. I'd recommend this area if you are passing through. I'll definitely hit this place up every time I go to Rochester if I can. Also of note is after this video, for some reason the clicking noises came in and kind of plagued most of my videos here and at the next stop, which is Game Haven. So you just have to bear with me on the clicking noises. Alright, this is Mega Mini, and I think it comes around and up here and goes back. I think it's an easy trail. So some of you might be noticing I'm not wearing my arm brace today. I was up on the bluff last night and didn't wear it there either. My fingers are a little sore, my wrist is a little sore, but it's gonna be sore anyway. So, all right, so this is Slick Rut coming at it from the other direction. But there's more trails farther down. So there's another trail here called Possum, and I'm not gonna do it. I wanna go to the other place because I don't wanna wear myself out. We'll see you at the Grey Havens. Dun, 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 dun. Lord of the Rings music playing. It wasn't copyrighted, I didn't put it in, but you know. Yeehaw. Well, the sun was out. What the fiddlestick?